Hi, welcome to the Chaîne project. Chaîne is a project to unite the reporting of all the 195 nations supporting the Paris Climate Accord on a blockchain. On a global level, Chaîne organizes the reporting of data, and on a country level, it assists with collecting data. The site is chaîne.io. We have a process flow diagram. Here you can see 4 different levels of activity. At the top are information sources. These are national information sources within the countries that have signed the agreement. They periodically collect that data and they put it on a blockchain. This blockchain here is a child chain owned by the country. So there are 195 nodes and 195 child chains. Periodically, this data gets sent to the UN. There it gets taken up in the master chain, and when it's been approved, then the UN makes a canonical version of the data available to all the organizations that are doing analysis of climate compliance. In order to effect this, we've created a token. We're calling it the Paris Climate Coin. It's tethered to climate debt. So for each nation, we'll calculate a debt load based on their nationally determined contributions, NDCs, and then provide a number of Paris climate coins in proportion to their debt. This will work much like a market where the UN is the buyer of the debt and the countries are the seller of the debt. And here you see the dashboard, which we're using to create the coin. If this succeeds and the countries get rid of their debt, the UN will become wealthy and the Paris Climate Accord will be a success.